We often put our faith in water filters, believing they're the ultimate safeguard for our health and safety. These devices are marketed as essential tools for survival, and in many situations, they truly are invaluable. But have you ever stopped to consider what happens when there's simply no water left to filter? Imagine turning on your tap and nothing comes out. The silence is unsettling. In times of drought, disaster, or infrastructure failure, the water we take for granted can vanish in an instant, leaving us vulnerable and unprepared. Filters, no matter how advanced, are only as useful as the water you have to pour through them. Without a source, even the best filter is just an empty promise. True water security goes beyond gadgets. It means having a reliable, replenishable source of water that you control, one that isn't dependent on municipal systems or store shelves. In a crisis, natural sources like streams and rivers may dry up or become contaminated, making them unsafe or inaccessible. When everyone is desperate, competition for limited resources can become fierce. Depending on outside sources, whether it's bottled water from the store or emergency distribution points, creates a false sense of security. Supplies can run out quickly, and you may find yourself waiting in long lines with everyone else. The real solution lies above your head, harvesting the rain that falls on your own roof. Rainwater is a free, renewable resource that can be captured and stored for times of need. By setting up a system to collect, store, and purify rainwater, you create a resilient, self-sufficient water supply. This empowers you to weather shortages and emergencies with confidence. With a tank full of rainwater, your filter becomes the final step in ensuring safe drinking water, not your only hope in a crisis. Take control of your water future. Become a steward of your own supply, empowered, resilient, and ready for whatever challenges may come your way. Rainwater harvesting is an ancient, proven way to reclaim control over your water. For thousands of years, people around the world have relied on this simple yet powerful method to secure their water needs, especially in times of scarcity or uncertainty. Today, as water challenges grow, this age-old practice is more relevant than ever. It's as simple as collecting rain from your roof and storing it for later use. With just a few basic tools, gutters, a barrel, and a filter, you can start capturing the free, clean water that falls on your home. Every drop you save is a step toward greater independence and resilience. This practice frees you from total dependence on vulnerable municipal systems. When droughts, infrastructure failures, or restrictions hit, you'll have your own supply to rely on. It's a practical safeguard that brings peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for whatever comes. Imagine watching your tanks fill with every storm, your security growing drop by drop. Each rainfall becomes an opportunity, turning what might have been wasted into a valuable resource for your household. Rainwater harvesting turns your home into a living system, providing for drinking, cooking, and gardening. With proper filtration and care, rainwater can meet many of your daily needs, reducing your bills and your environmental impact. Start small. A barrel under a downspout is all it takes to begin. Even a modest setup can make a difference, and you'll quickly see the benefits as you collect water for your plants or emergency use. Expand as your needs grow. Every gallon you collect is one less to worry about. Over time, you can add more barrels, larger tanks, or advanced filtration, tailoring your system to fit your family and your goals. This journey is about empowerment and practical steps toward self-reliance. Each improvement you make brings you closer to true water independence, and every member of your household can play a part in this rewarding process. By harvesting rain, you build a legacy of preparedness and stewardship for your family. You're not just saving water, you're investing in a sustainable future, teaching the next generation the value of resourcefulness and care for the planet. Your roof is more than just a shelter from the elements. It's a powerful, often overlooked tool for capturing and storing rainwater right where you live. Every time it rains, your roof transforms into a collection surface, channeling precious water that would otherwise be lost to runoff. Just 1 inch of rain on a 1,000 square foot roof can yield over 600 gallons of water. That's enough to fill multiple large barrels, or even supply a family's non-potable water needs for weeks. Imagine the potential during a rainy season. Your roof could provide thousands of gallons, reducing your reliance on municipal water and lowering your utility bills. The type of roof you have matters. Metal, clay, or concrete roofs are ideal for harvesting, especially if you plan to use the water for drinking. These materials are smooth, easy to clean, and less likely to leach harmful substances into your water supply. On the other hand, avoid roofs with asphalt shingles or toxic coatings if you want potable water. These materials can release chemicals and particles that make the water unsafe for drinking or cooking, even after filtration. Regular maintenance is key. Keep your roof clean and free of debris like leaves, dirt, and bird droppings to ensure the best water quality. A simple sweep or rinse before the rainy season can make a big difference in the purity of your collected water. A clean, safe roof is the first step to a high-quality harvest. Inspect your roof regularly for damage or buildup, and address any issues promptly to keep your catchment system running smoothly. See your roof as the foundation of your water system. It's the starting point for every drop you collect, and its condition directly affects the quality and quantity of your harvest. With the right roofing material and regular maintenance, your roof becomes your gateway to water independence. It's a sustainable solution that empowers you to make the most of every rainfall. This simple surface is your silent partner in resilience, quietly working in the background to support your household and the environment. So take a closer look at your roof and put it to work for you. With a little care and the right setup, it can become one of your home's most valuable assets. Gutters and downspouts are the arteries of your rainwater system. They channel every drop from your roof to your storage tank, no water wasted. Choose gutters sized for your roof and local rainfall. Install with a slight slope for smooth flow. Keep them clear of leaves and debris to prevent blockages and contamination. Gutter guards can help, but regular checks are essential. Downspouts connect to your first flush diverter and tank. Make sure all joints are watertight. Well-maintained gutters and downspouts turn scattered rain into a concentrated, usable resource. Don't overlook these humble, vital channels. The first flush diverter is your secret weapon for cleaner water. It diverts the initial, dirtiest rainwater, full of dust and debris, away from your tank. Once the chamber fills, cleaner water flows into your storage. This simple device keeps your tank cleaner, reduces bacteria, and eases the load on filters. Size your diverter to your roof. Divert 1 to 2 gallons per 100 square feet. For a 1,000 square foot roof, that's 10 to 20 gallons. A first flush diverter is a small investment with big returns in water quality. Upgrade your system for a smarter, safer harvest. Your storage tank is the heart of your rainwater system. Choose a size that gives you a real buffer, enough to last through dry spells. Use opaque food-grade plastic or lined steel to keep water safe and algae-free. Install on a solid, level base. Water is heavy and needs support. Fit your tank with screened inlets and overflows to block debris and mosquitoes. Place the outlet above the bottom to avoid drawing up sediment. A well-chosen tank is your private reservoir. Security you can see filling with every rain. This is where rain becomes your reliable, ready resource. Storing rainwater is only half the job. Purification makes it safe to drink. Even clean-looking rainwater can carry bacteria or chemicals from your roof. Use a multi-barrier approach. Sediment filters remove particles, Carbon filters tackle chemicals and odors. Finish with UV sterilization to kill bacteria and viruses. No chemicals, no taste change. Water flows from your tank through filters, then UV, and finally to your tap. Change filters and UV bulbs as recommended for best results. This layered system ensures every drop is safe and delicious. With robust purification, your rainwater becomes pure hydration for your family. Take control of your water quality. Don't leave it to chance. Your own rain-to-glass system is within reach. A rainwater system is low maintenance but not maintenance-free. Inspect and clean your roof, gutters, and downspouts at least twice a year. Check your first flush diverter to ensure it's working and clear of clogs. Every few years, inspect your tank for sediment and clean if needed. Make sure all screens and seals are intact to keep pests out. Replace filter cartridges and UV bulbs on schedule for safe water. A little routine care keeps your system reliable and your water clean. Stay proactive. Your future self will thank you. From sky to glass, rainwater harvesting is a journey to empowerment. It's more than a backup plan. It's a declaration of independence from fragile systems. You gain security, savings, and peace of mind, knowing you can provide for your family. Start small. A rain barrel is a perfect first step. Each upgrade, bigger tanks, diverters, purification, builds your resilience. The process is simple, scalable, and within your reach. Go outside, look at your roof, and see the potential for abundance. Begin planning and building your own water security today. By harvesting rain, you take control of your water, your well-being, and your future. Turn your home into a haven, ready to catch every drop of opportunity.